This is a quick video on how to set a field as searchable and how to make sure that the search bar is working properly. So once you have set a field as searchable, you may notice that the search bar isn't working and it's not picking out the correct value. The reason for this is that the values in that field will need to be updated before the search bar is able to be used for that field. So in order to do this, if you go into your App Studio and you find the correct field that you want to make searchable, so in this case, it is this one, and you'll see at the very end, this is the search toggle. There you go. And then you can publish. Okay, and then come back into Workspace and resync your app, and you'll see the search bar here. So if I type in demo, no records are showing, despite there being every record that says demo in. Now, the reason for this is because I will need to refresh the data within these records in regards to text in order for the search bar to actually work with it. So if you only have one or two records, it's possible just to quickly go into a record and change something, which will update the data. So as you can see, that one is now showing. But if you've got multiple records, which is probably the case, the easiest way to do it is through export and import. So you want to select all of your records, export the data. You'll want all of your fields or just the ones in the report, depending. Be able to download that CSV. And then you will have a CSV open with the fields in. So the one that I want to update is actually the text field, so I can delete the other columns except for the ID. Make sure you always keep the ID field, the ID column, in there, because this is what will link the record to the original record. Otherwise, you'll be creating these records as new. Now that I've done this, click Save on the CSV, and I'll be able to import. You want to unclick Run Workflows because you don't want any emails or anything sent out. Import, and it should say that that has been completed. So it's always good just to resync it, double check, and then try the search bar, and all of the records are now showing. Thank you. I hope this helped.